Good morning, everyone. Myself, Vivek Bongade, Assistant Professor, Department of IAC, Savitri Institute of Technology, Rajankunte, Bengaluru. In last class, we discussed in last video, we discussed on the concept of ER diagram. So, what is the ER diagram, ENTT relationship diagram, and what are the notations we're going to use in the ER diagram. So, in today's class, we're going to see an example how to construct an ER diagram. So, we're trying to construct the bank data bank ER diagram here. So, what are the entities while constructing any of the ER diagram in the examination or while constructing any of the regular databases, we need to take minimum 5 entities. We need to take minimum 5 entities. So here bank is one entity, bank branch second entity, account third entity, fourth is loan entity, that is fifth is customer entity. So for this ER diagram, we have taken 5 entities. So in between 5 entities, we have to build the relationship. Here, bank, we have taken the three attributes, that is bank code, bank name and address. We have made bank code as the primary key. And in the branches, and the bank branch. So this bank branch is a weak entity because weak, as we said in the last ER diagram, in the weak entity we're going to notify in the double square or double rectangle notation. So the bank branch. Why it is acting as a weak entity? Because if bank is, if the branch of the bank is there, if this the same bank branch is there anywhere, then only this bank branch will be there. If this bank is doesn't have any branch, then this bank branch will be not there. For example, we have a local banks like cooperative banks. If the cooperative bank is not having any of the branch, means there this bank branch will be not there. This is why it is a weak entity. So weak entity, it doesn't have key attribute of its own. Doesn't have a key attributes of its own. So it will depend upon the strong entity. To show the relationship between the weak entity and the strong entity, we are using the identifying relationship. That is, we are showing in double rhombus symbol. What it indicates, bank branches, bank branch. Nothing but one bank may have n number of branches, and for this bank branch we taking the attribute as address and the branch number. So as I said, weak entity will always have a partial key. So the primary key for this weak entity is bank code. Then bank branch loans, loan means a customer will take a loan from this bank branch. The relationship name here is loan. So one bank branch may provide n number of loans, many loans, right? For the loans, we have taken attribute like a loan number, amount, and the type. This one and n is the right participation, type of participation. One relationship are participating in n number of relationship, 1 is to n relationship, right? So 1 is to n loan, the loan number, account, and type. And the loan account is customer. Who is going to handle this loan account? Customer. So customer's phone number, customer's SSN number, customer name, and the customer address. The customer is going to hold the account in the bank. So for this customer, the account number will be there, and the balance will be there, and the type will be the type of account, whether it is saving account, what is joint account. We have a different types of accounts, right? So what is the type of account that customer is having, customer is holding on that bank. So account number is the primary key for this account. This account having the bank branches. Bank branches. This is how we have to create the ER diagram. While designing the ER diagram, we should first thing we have to be careful that we have to use 5 entities, and we have to try to apply most of the DBMS concept in this ER diagram, like weak entity, then the participation ratios, then primary key. If possible, we can add the multi-value dependencies and all. Right? This is how we have to create or design the ER diagram. This is the one simple example of the constructing ER diagram on bank. So in next video, I'm going to explain one more ER diagram, one small example. I'm going to take ER diagram so that it will be helpful for the student to understand, to take